In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook business page URL. First, log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, click on See All Profiles. Next, locate your Facebook business page and click on it. This will switch you over to your business page. At the top of the screen, you may still see facebook.com in the address bar, but it won't yet show your specific page URL. To get your full business page URL, click on your page name on the left side of the screen. Once the page fully loads, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll now see your complete Facebook business page URL. Simply right-click on the URL, copy it, and you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful and easy guides. Thanks for watching.